Scary Chef Sherry is back and she's not in her own kitchen. She's in Pooja's kitchen today.
Nothing to be scared of.
Everything to be scared of.
Speaking to someone.
Yeah. What are we making?
We're making macaroons.
Okay, yeah. So I thought I would challenge myself, now that I'm a pandemic chef and all that. I was like, I need to elevate this and go a little.
You picked like the hardest thing to make in pastry. So even if you mess up,
it's okay. It's allowed.
Yeah, it's allowed.
All right. Okay. So what have we got here?
So how should we do this? Should I teach you how to make macarons?
So I'm going to follow you. You can't help me.
Listen, but I'm a good teacher.
Oh, so we're going to have great results. I'm a great chef, so obviously.
Okay, but promise me you're not going to mess up purposely.
No, obviously not. Why would I want to mess up purposely?
I don't know.
No.
Okay, so let's go. So this is my station. This is yours.
Okay.
Our basic ingredients, we have almond flour, icing sugar, castor sugar, a bit of salt, and food color. And the main ingredient is our egg whites, which is magically here.
Okay.
Okay. So this is all you need to make.
It looks fairly simple, yeah.
So
we also want to put the recipe in the description.
Everyone who bakes and has tried macarons and failed like 5 million times probably wants to kill you right now.
We'll probably go back to this point at the end of the video and be like, it looks very simple.
It's simple, but it's just a lot of technique.
Right.
So it's you just have to follow it step by step and make sure that you do everything
obviously,
right.
like a pandemic chef like me that's been like practicing for 2 years is like on an ace. I mean, come on.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. This is your bowl.
Okay.
You're going to take the almond powder, icing sugar inside the bowl.
Okay. Can't leave any of the powder, no?
No.
Okay.
Whisk it well.
How cute is this, guys? Look at this.
We're not obsessed with pink. Okay, so you got to make sure it's all nice and no lumps. So the smoother this is, the
better.
Okay. So you're going to leave here today wanting to be a pastry chef.
I'm already a pastry chef now. I mean, I feel like this movement makes you feel like you're like,
Yeah, no one is sitting and doing it like this. You gotta be like
I'm at a fashion shoot with my bag.
It's like people are always like, pretend to eat a macaron, but don't eat it. Look at it, but don't look at it. I don't understand. You can keep that aside now. We're gonna move on to the next step.
Okay.
We're gonna take our egg whites.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing.
Okay.
So it's my egg white. I'm gonna take a little bit of salt. It'll help us make a nicer meringue. You have some salt in there.
The whole thing? Or
no, just a pinch.
Okay. But what if my pinch is bigger than your pinch?
How much bigger can it be? That's fine. Okay. Now we're gonna start whisking the eggs. So what I'm doing now is making a French meringue.
Okay.
Where we just whisk the eggs and we add the sugar and the
So it's simultaneous.
So be very gentle with it. Make sure that your bowl is super clean. There should be no egg yolks in your egg whites. If there's even a little bit of yolk.
No yolk, no chilka.
Yeah, no chilka. I'm guessing like you have to do something like super ridiculous, no?
Oh.
Like you do this.
Oh.
And it stays, okay?
Okay, so I have not whisked something in many years, guys. So I'm
No, not
like,
that
oh, exactly. This one.
Yeah.
Okay, so
put it down.
put it down and start
Yeah,
slow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Little by little. Actually, not so little also. A little more. It's not even in the bowl!
It makes me nervous when it's hitting the dishes. I feel like it's gonna go back.
She's like holding it above the egg whites. I'm like, you're not even making contact.
Okay. You think
Okay.
we're good?
Yeah, you don't hold
You
it.
think you're ready for it, Pooja?
Oh God.
Ooh!
Don't scare me.
I have managed.
Okay, yeah.
See?
Okay, fine. You have. Okay, now it's fairly simple. We have our meringue.
Okay.
We have some food color.
Okay.
And we have our almond mix.
Oh, I totally forgot about this one.
Now, so take this closer to you.
Okay.
No, you're going to take...
Oh, this here.
Yeah.
Huh? Okay.
So now you're going to add your egg white into this.
All of it?
All of it.
I also know what we're using, guys. It's called a spatula, by the way. For those of you that don't know. I mean. See? I've come prepared. I've done my homework.
Okay, so what is this?
A whisk.
What is this?
A piping something.
Bag! Yeah! We're gonna use one later. It's gonna be fun. Okay, you got everything, huh? And now, this process is called a macaronage.
Okay.
So you're just gonna start and you're gonna mix the egg white.
Like this way.
Yeah.
Like fold it.
Yeah. So you're not really, it's not like folding a cake batter. We're just trying to get
It all mixed.
all mixed, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do. This is killing me.
Yours is looking pinker than mine, so I think my color still needs a bit of a mix.
Yeah.
And I'm also finding random blobs of flour. So I need a little more mixing. Guys, this is like a workout for your arms. Huh? It's a great workout.
Okay.
You done also?
Yeah.
Okay. Less talking, more working.
No, but what are you doing?
I'm like making a sabzi.
No, this is not your stir fry. Here, watch. You take the batter,
Huh?
okay, and then you push it against the sides. Of
Oh,
the
like that,
this.
like press it. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, I
And
thought
you
we were doing like a
no, like this. Look at this.
Oh, like this. Okay,
Yeah,
got
you
it.
tap
Got it.
Okay.
It's a stir fried your batter.
So you know your batter is ready when it like flows like this, like lava like this, and you can see that it's become shiny, nice and shiny.
Right, yeah.
And then we stop mixing it. Okay, now the batter is ready. We're going to pipe it using a
piping bag.
yeah. Okay, wait. Let me get a trays.
Oh, I did something to the piping bag already.
I left you alone for 3 seconds. Literally left you alone for 3 seconds. Okay, this is my tray.
Okay.
This is your tray.
So just put everything into this.
Okay, now see this. Okay, this is your piping bag.
Yeah, but my thing's not coming out. That's what I was doing.
I think if I fold it like this, now this is fine.
Okay.
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 Now,
Huh.
before we put the batter in, at the tip, we're gonna make a little twist.
Like this?
Yeah, and we're gonna tuck it inside. Okay, so now it's locked. So anything we put in will not like
come out.
Okay, now we open it up nicely.
Okay, understood.
And you use the palm of your hand. You use your hand like this, like a claw. Open this up.
Oh, ulta. Okay.
Open it up.
And then make it like this.
Yeah, and it should support it. Like it should support your.
Oh, like this. Got
So
it.
it's pocket. Okay, this is how you're gonna fill a piping bag.
All right.
To be honest, I was expecting you to do a lot worse.
Oh. I think thankfully since you measured everything, it was easier. I feel like if it was not measured, I would have definitely been a bit of a disaster.
Should we try it again?
No, I'm good. Scary Chef Sherry is usually like successful at the end, you know. So I mean, it's all good.
Chalo. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, let's start.
Okay.
Now you just pull the sides up. The last thing we'll do is unlock. You want to unlock it.
Okay.
And you just move all the batter down. And you're going to hold it like a meringue cone of sorts, okay? And now you unlock it. You want to see what I do and then follow?
Yeah.
So we're going to go. The key is that we got to get them to be, at least 2 of them to be the same size.
So that they can
so
be
that
layered.
we can find them a match.
Oh, my cone is leaking. I have a bit of a blob on my tray already.
Wait, I'm coming.
No, you're just showing off, Pooja. This is just not fair. I mean, now I'm intimidated and I don't know what I'm going to do because this is like...
And then you just take the tray and you just...
Why do we tap? So flatten it.
Flatten it, get all the air bubbles out. All of them will become nice. Same size. This might be a little bit rough for your sound. And now we gotta let it dry. Okay, come on, your turn.
That looks easy. Okay. Is that too much or too little? Or
Yeah, so can I help her?
yeah, you'll have to assist me.
So
to show
now
me
you
how
don't
much.
need to move the bag. You just need to stay in one place, press
Oh,
down,
okay, got
stop,
it. Huh.
pull up.
Press down, pull
Stop,
up.
pull up.
Okay. I mean, they're remotely the same size, I think.
Yeah,
I'm not
you're
doing
doing a
that
good job.
badly.
Yeah, so see? You're actually really good, I must say, from all the people that
Oh,
I've taught. Come to
really?
this class. Yeah,
Oh.
I've had some weird shapes being made on this tray.
Down and then pull. Ooh, not bad.
Not
huh?
bad.
Down and then pull. Down and then pull. Down and then pull. Down and then pull.
Can you imagine if I had to say this for
Everywhere.
like, I'd just be in the kitchen down and then
Down and then pull.
But what are you pulling?
I don't know what I've made now. This one's a lollipop. It's a lollipop, but there was a vision, yeah?
Ha, but then get one more lollipop because then...
Yeah, see, these two are lollipop. Chicken lollipops. Not so bad. No?
I told you you'd be great.
See, you've got faith in me.
No, you're better, so... But you did a good job. It's not so bad, look.
Yeah, I mean,
No, it's not bad at all.
yeah, it's really not bad.
It's not, I swear.
Oh, and now we tap, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we'll just tuck.
Yeah, so like...
Hold it with one hand. Huh.
and then... Okay.
Done?
Okay.
And now we drop it.
Yeah, now you drop it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Now, if you do everything right and you bake it, you're still going to get like messed up macarons.
Oh, okay.
So if you touch this, it's like wet. Okay.
Yeah.
But we gotta wait for it to completely dry before
Okay.
we put it in the oven.
Okay.
Raw eggs. Okay. So we wait and we'll be back in about 30 minutes once it's dried, and then we put it in the oven. Okay, so now while we're waiting for those shells to dry, we're gonna make the filling.
Okay.
So I like to make a simple ganache for most of the macarons and then flavor it in different ways. So the ingredients are right in front of us. We have chocolate, cream, and butter.
Okay.
Alright, so you can put your chocolate in the bowl.
Okay.
Now, should we heat both our creams together?
We can mix our cream.
We can mix it. Okay, you're in charge of the cream.
Okay. So just keep whisking.
Keep whisking it. We gotta bring it to a boil.
Okay. Just me whisking.
You know, you and your whisking shots.
Like slow-mo whisking.
This is exactly how we are in the kitchen, you know. Everyone always just stands around and does this.
Oh, no.
You want a gamcha?
No, I'm good. Today I'm more polished, yeah. Whisking in
Macarons
style,
With a
yeah.
pink whisk. Okay, let me cover that up a little bit.
Mix it?
No.
Oh, not yet. Okay.
Don't touch. But just stir it around so that the cream covers the chocolate. Kitchen dance.
Yeah. Ooh, it's all melting.
I love what we're supposed to do with a whisk. She's just doing it like... Wait, let's just switch this off. Take your little whisk, put it in the center, and now make small circles. Okay? You don't want too much air to go in
Ooh,
there.
look at this.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
I love making ganache.
This looks so yummy, guys. It's like, I feel like, you know, when you're a kid and you're making that like batter and icing and you just want to like dunk your hands in and eat it.
And while we're doing this and while it's still a little bit hot, we're going to add some of this very little butter. You can add yours too as well.
Okay.
And we mix it in with the butter also.
All of it or
Yeah,
some?
yeah, all of it.
Okay. Oh my god, this is so good. How good does this look, guys?
Okay, we refrigerate this, let it set a little bit, put our shells to bake,
Can we
and
eat
we're
a little
almost
bit?
done. Yeah. I don't know what she's doing this show into.
So good, guys. So good! Ta-da!
I think you passed.
I passed, guys.
I think you've done a great job. Now you are an expert macaron maker.
So I can get a job here now.
Yes, you can start with an internship. Okay, so now our shells are ready and we're going to put our filling inside.
Okay.
So first thing what we're going to do is we're going to make little pairs. So you're going to match the shells.
Oh, so we gotta match them. Okay.
Yeah, okay. And you're going to find...
I feel like this is like a game. Like, you know, when you used to memory match the... and this is the newest variant you're launching, the chicken leg
the chicken
macaron. These are imperfect hearts, okay? Because none of us are perfect in life. So it's like two imperfect people make the perfect match.
These are clouds.
These are clouds or potatoes
Potatoes.
to go with the chicken leg.
As one lonely
Lonely heart, which can be eaten.
I just said that's me.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's really yum. I did well.
You did well. You did well. Okay, ready for the final step?
Okay.
Okay, now we gotta go like this. Just lay them out in front of you. One up, one down. So, you hold it.
Okay.
You need support. You hold your piping bag straight up and you just push, and you stop. Yeah.
That's it?
You're good.
I just pooped on the back.
Okay, so then that's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
The thing is, you wanna be like in one place.
Yeah, that's not happening with me. I'm a bit like...
Yeah, because then when you close them, they should be...
like in the same jaga.
Yeah.
What do I do with the potato?
I've never made a potato macaron before, but yeah, we'll do the same way. Yeah, that's... So you take it in, you push it down, and you turn, twist it a little bit.
Oh,
And there you have it.
that looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, so you take it.
Close it, and you just... Yeah! You should be proud of yourself.
Guys, this is like therapeutic. I feel like I want to do this all day.
Okay.
Ta-da!
So now the trick is, after doing all of this, it's still not ready to eat yet. So if you bite into one, you want to try? Bite
Okay.
into one?
Should I take my...
No.
No, take my chicken curry. Okay, I'll take the imperfect hearts.
Can you hear that little crunch, right?
Yeah.
So on the filling kind of spills out. So the idea is now we're going to refrigerate it for at least 2 to 4 hours. So the water from the ganache goes into the shells and you get a
And that's where you get that pillowy consistency.
Exactly.
Where,
So the perfect macaron, when you bite into it, it's supposed to be soft and
Yeah.
melty and not crunchy. Okay.
So I passed.
You did. I had no doubt that you would. But you did really good.
Okay guys, they are officially ready.
And you did a very good job, I must say.
Thank you.
I'm very proud. I'm very impressed.
So this is basically chicken leg with a potato, side of hearts, and
Imperfectly perfect hearts.
Imperfectly perfect hearts, and that's me on a plate. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. The recipe is in the description. If you make it, post it, tag us. Your disasters are more than welcome as well. See you guys. Bye.